Accountant responsibility, overview and examples. Okay, now follow. Have you ever wondered what responsibilities an accountant actually holds and why their role is so critical in any businesses? It's not just about numbers, it's about trust, accuracy, and financial control. An accountant's responsibility is to ensure that financial information is accurate, complete, and compliant with laws and regulations. In simple terms, they are responsible for making sure the money is tracked properly and reported honestly. Let's break this down for you. One main responsibility, One of the main responsibilities of an accountant is maintaining accurate records, every transaction, income, expenses, assets, and liabilities must be recorded correctly. Even small errors can lead to big problems later on. Another key responsibility is financial reporting. Accountants prepare reports like income statements and balance sheets which show how a business is performing. These reports are used by owners, investors, and sometimes regulators to make important decisions. Tax compliance is also a major part of the role. Accountants calculate taxes, file returns, and ensure everything follows the law. Mistakes here can lead to penalties or legal issues, so accuracy is critical. But the role doesn't stop there. Accountants are also responsible for helping prevent fraud and financial mismanagement by reviewing transactions and monitoring systems. They can spot unusual activity and reduce risk. They also support decision making by analyzing financial data. Accountants can advise businesses on budgeting, cost control, and future planning. Let's look at a simple example. Imagine a business that isn't tracking its expenses properly, and the accountant steps in, organizes the records, identifies unnecessary spending, and helps the business save money. That's responsibility in action, not just recording numbers but improving outcomes. Now, common misunderstanding is thinking accountants are only responsible for bookkeeping. In reality, their responsibilities go much deeper. They ensure financial integrity and help guide strategy. Another misconception is that accountability lies only with business owners. While owners are ultimately responsible, accountants play a key role in maintaining transparency and accuracy. So, what's the key takeaway? Well, an accountant's responsibility goes beyond recording numbers. They ensure accuracy, compliance, and financial clarity, while also helping businesses make smart decisions. And once you understand their responsibilities, you will see that accountants aren't just working behind the scenes. They're protecting and shaping the financial health of every organization they work with. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.